in the lecture series of PPCM. In this subject, we have studied about the project planning and construction management. So, according to our syllabus, we start our subject. Now, first question is, what is project management? So for understanding the project management, we have to understand the management and project. So first see here, management. Management is to manage, is to forecast and to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and to control. All of you know very well, the management is the type of how you manage the thing. For example, if you want to crack the exam, for that you have prepare one management chart according to you. In this you have plan and organize and command and coordinate to control our studies. Now here we have project. So project is the temporary group activity designed to produce a unique product, service or result. This definition is according to Project Management Institute. So project is the temporary group activity which is designed to unique product. Unique means new product, means when you go for higher studies, and for that you have to take one topic for a research. So research is the unique type of product. Okay, so combined we say that project management is the discipline of planning, organizing, securing and managing resources to bring about the successful completion. Means if we have take any project, for example, in our mid of college there is a one road is constructed. So for constructing that road we have to plan for that road and we want they complete with a successful manner. So this is the type of project management. So according to Wikipedia, this is the definition. Now according to Project Management Institute, project management is the application of knowledge, skills, techniques to execute project effectively and efficiently. This definition is given by the Project Management Institute. So this is the definition of project management. Now there is a difference between process management and the project management. So here we discuss about the process and project. So process means that is the repetitive work, means it is not a unique work. For example, we have see the assembly lines. Assembly lines we have factory of making a car or industry of making a car. So we have produced a number of cars. This is the repetitive work, not a unique work. Okay, so this is known as the process which is not unique. So example of processes: assembly lines, food packages, shoe packages, electronics items. Bank is the repetitive process. These are all the repetitive process. But in a project we have doing some unique. For example, constructions. Sometimes we make a dams, sometimes we make a residential buildings or a big projects. Events, for example, wedding events or other events we have organized. Research, presenting a budget and policy making, because these are all long term process or a project, because we don't know the result of this policies and all. So this is known as the project. But if we repeat this, making this, then this is the process. So here we have differentiate the process and the project management. Process is the repetitive work and project management is the unique work. Okay, sometimes we also say that project management means there is not purely process or purely project. Why? If we say that we making a car in industry, so we making a, for example, Swift Desire car. So Swift Desire we making, so we invent that car and industry making this car repeatedly. But what we do, we modify this car with other name. So for that, you all of you know that there is one department, research and development department in every industries. So at that time we said that that is the project work. But when we research this car and making this car continuously, then this is the repetitive work. So sometimes we say it is not purely process or purely project. So we have to think, when I take task, should I do it in a project mode or in a process mode? So now I want to come back again to this. So I think we answered the question, what is the project management. So what I say, project management is looking process and project. We discussed that things not be purely processed and not be purely project. Okay, so this is about the project management. Now this is the basic of our project planning and construction management. There is a definition, project management. Now after that we have to go forward with another part. So that lecture is over. Thank you.